Alright guys, pro tip here. If you are wondering how much noise reduction you really need, you can have your hearing care professional program different programs with a different level of noise reduction. Or you can use some smartphone apps to adjust your level of noise reduction, and once you identify the appropriate amount, your hearing care professional can set that up permanently for you. I would also say that noise reduction always seems to work better when your hearing aids have been programmed to your hearing loss prescription and verified with real ear measurements. If you have not had real ear measurement performed on your hearing aids, I would highly recommend it if you want to get the full amount of benefit out of your hearing aids.